The obsolescence of ego. What is ego? It's a type of artificial intelligence, like an app, a software program. A program requires an operating system to run what it's designed to do. The human mind is a kind of operating system. An operating system requires a computer hardware to execute its rules and procedure. The human body is a kind of computer hardware. A program cannot run without a compatible operating system and hardware. The rules of ego are fear-based predominantly. To understand the mechanism of a program, we must first understand the purpose of the program. Ego was installed 5,000 years ago to create the illusion of separation and polarity. Why? It was brought in to create challenges in the greatest game of the universe. All of you were eager and volunteered to play. All of you picked your roles and co-stars. And with that agreement, the veils of amnesia was put into position for every soul who chose to incarnate on planet Earth. Ego serves to fully immerse your consciousness into the 3D experiment. So that you are able to explore the third-dimensional world. Forgetting the truth of who and what you truly are. You chose to participate in an experiment in consciousness. And so, you buy into the illusion that you have only 5 senses. You forget that you are multisensory beings. You buy into the illusion that you are just a mortal body with a limited time. You forget that you are multidimensional beings that never cease to exist. You buy into the illusion that you must compete, struggle, and control each other in order to exist. You forget that we are all one, The veils of amnesia was always meant to lift in one of your incarnations. All of you will remember eventually. The process of remembrance while in a body is sometimes called the ascension process, the awakening process, or simply enlightenment. There is a great opportunity now. The veils of amnesia is steadily being removed ever since the harmonic convergence in 2012 and 2019. To the degree that each soul is ready to remember. Ego is being decommissioned. Planet Earth has risen to the fifth dimensional vibrational frequency band. At least 500 million human beings have access to fifth dimensional frequency now. Newborns coming in are souls with full access to 5D consciousness, and a majority of them are karmic free. The rising frequency at all levels is assisting humanity to purge ego. A 3D program cannot function in a 5D matrix. Ego is no longer being supported unless you choose to stay in survival mode. You choose to hold on to the inverted 3D matrix. You choose to rely on and maintain a program that uses fear to help you cope with life. It is the nature of ego to fight for survival, so it will ramp up more fear to stall its ultimate demise. That's why things might feel uncomfortable now. But it's a done deal. You can move through the process with ease and grace. There is no need to resist or fight. Stop giving attention to ego. Stop feeding ego. Our true natural essence is collaborative instead of competitive, thriving instead of surviving, playful instead of fearful. Make ego obsolete. And bring forth heaven on earth now. Thank you for watching.